Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So pull up a seat. We're going to have a little bit of a study session about the Dollar General, two different digitals to work with sales promotions this week to get maximum amount of savings. So this first one you should find at the top of your digital coupons folder, which is a 3 off of 15. It's off of very specific items which we will be looking at in the app. So the first two deals are with this. As you can see from the fine print, this expires on the 29th, which is Friday. So please use this by Friday or lose it. It's one of two options. Alrighty, so one thing I do want to ask is for you guys to double, triple check the cost of goods in store when you arrive, whatever day you're going to be shopping, because it seems like the prices are really fluctuating up and down for prices where they're going up by like 50 cents or whatever. Sign of the times right now. Also, check your IBOTTA rebate app. We're doing a couple deals with IBOTTA rebates, so make sure that the rebates are in your account. So for the first deal, we're going to be grabbing one of the Febreze Unstoppable sprays and two of the stem sprays. So the stem sprays, we're going to be grabbing the cans. There's also a mosquito repellent, the little spray, which is a lot smaller on the right-hand side. Nope, we're grabbing the can because the digital coupon is not attaching to the little spray for mosquitoes. So what a pain is that? You're going to find this specifically in the Fun in the Sun stuff in the front of the store. So they have like about two dedicated aisles for coolers, gardening, and this is where the spray is found specifically. This is the digital coupon that you want to load, which is an $8.99 off of 2, and then also the 3 off of 15. If you look, it is attaching to said product. Okay, so with the hand of doom there, we're grabbing two of those ant, roach, and spiders. I know they have some for yellow jackets. They have a whole bunch of different types of how to get rid of those critters. We're grabbing two with that $8.99 digital. And then also in the air care laundry aisle, we're going to be tracking down this guy for $5 on the nose. And we have a $3 digital. Looking at the math, and this is an any day deal right up to Friday, as that 3 off of 15 is expiring on Friday. So two of those stem products at $7 a pop is $14. One Febreze Unstoppable for $5 for a total of $19. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number to the keypad. When the cashier hits the final pay button, 3 off 15 will be coming off along with the $11.99 of digital coupons that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $401 for the three items, and it is a little something called magic. Okay, the next little deal that we have with the 3 off 15, we're going to be grabbing two of these paper towels if you can track them down at your store. Remember to open up the IBOTTA app to ensure that the $2 rebate is attaching to this product, because there's a whole bunch of different types of sparkle over at the Dollar General. I think they purposely make this confusing. Also, there are no digitals or coupons to go with, so but it's still a really good deal because look at this IBOTTA rebate. It's $2 back, and you can do this up to 2 times. Can't stress it enough, guys, to open up that app, scan to make sure that it's attaching, because you don't want to grab the wrong one. I think they have like a smaller one and then a much larger package of these paper towels. There's like 3 different ones for sale. We're also going to grab one of these Untouchables for $5 on the nose, and we have that $3 digital. There's also a $1 digital for any Febreze product. Please make sure that this is the only one that you have loaded, or that smaller dollar coupon will come off first. Looking at the math for this one, and you got to do it by Friday the 29th, grabbing 2 of those sparkle paper towels at $6.95 and then 1 Febreze Unstoppable for $5 is a total of $18.90. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The 3 off 15 will come off along with the $3 for the Febreze. You're paying $12.90 out of pocket plus your tax. Then you're making a $4 submission to IBOTTA, the $2 times 2, 4. So it's $8.90 for the 3 products, or $2.96 per product. Meat and potatoes coupon items for your household, especially with paper and some Febreze. Not the worst price. Now we're going to look at a Saturday basket for July the 30th, and we're going to use our old friend, which is the 5 off of 25. So this is Saturday only when this coupon is working. And unfortunately that other 3 off 15, if the 2 would stack or not, we won't even know because the other one is going to expire, but this is the one you want loaded for this little dealio. Just to show you what we're grabbing for this basket, the Unstoppable for 5, the 2 stem products for 14, and then what do we have here in the center? These Arm & Hammer, it's like a cent bead. They are $4.25 each, and we have like $1.50 digital for both, so that's really nice. And then just to show you in the store, in case you don't want those scent beads, because I know it's not for everybody, it is the smaller bottle, the 25 loaders of the Arm & Hammer detergent. They have 2 different flavors, but they were on a top shelf, and I was too short to get them. You need stilts to get them up there. So 2 of those or 2 of these, or you can mix and match if you wish. A whole bunch of different scents for these beads as well. So how nice is that? But they are $4.25. Now, as I was saying, guys, I've noticed in the last couple of weeks we've gotten coupons for these. So we have the $1.50 that's attaching along with the 3 off 15 and the $1.50. So when you're scanning these merchandise like cleaners or whatever, you got to ensure that that 3 off 15 is in fact attaching, and it is with the Arm & Hammer. Okay, and then we have the $5 Unstoppable with the $3 digital. So we've kind of worked our way through this, but we're going to get this to really bulk up the basket to get to $25. So we're grabbing this, and there's like 3 different scents. If you don't like the one that I picked, just grab a different one, but ensure that you're scanning that digital coupon is attaching. And then 2 of the stem products for 14, and then we have an $8.99 off of 2. Even though this is kind of, July, you might still need this for your household. You never know. Looking at the mathematics for this one, again, we're going on Saturday, July the 30th. 2 of the stem products for 14, 2 Arm & Hammers at $4.25 is $8.50, and then 1 Febreze Unstoppable for 5. Adding all of that wonderful merchandise, you get a total of $27.50. As the cashier is scanning all of your lovely merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier hits the final pay button, and the 5 off 25 is coming off, which is your Saturday, along with $14.99 in digital coupons, $8.99 for STEM, $3 for Arm & Hammer, and then $3 for the Unstoppable. You're paying $7.51 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $1.50 per product. Not the worst little basket, just trying to make something out of nothing, and this is stuff that you need for your household, so I think this is a pretty smart basket. Okay, so with this STEM product, once you pay for your items, you have up to a week to submit to an IBOTTA rebate. I have the sneakiest suspicion because I have seen this STEM product float in and out of IBOTTA all summer long. You have your receipt 7 days post to submit to a rebate with IBOTTA. Hang on to that receipt in case that might be some money, because they have been popping up with different receipts. As this is a newer product, it might show up on IBOTTA, it might not, but hang on to your receipt. You have nothing to lose. The final thing before I take off is to triple check all the prices. They've been playing some weird stuff where prices have increased a lot. It's just what it is right now. So if something is astronomically more, they don't increase anything more than a quarter or 50 cents, but a quarter or 50 cents on each item, it might change some of these baskets altogether. But triple check and ensure especially that 3 off 15, if you're going to do some deals with that, is attaching to your products. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.